Good morning, children. This lesson is of class 5 for the subject of General Science, chapter number 8, Sound and Noise, of your textbook, New Trends in Science, Evergreen Publications. It is being submitted to you on 23rd November 2020. Today, we are going to discuss different types of sounds. Let us begin with number one, soft sound. The sound having less amplitude and is soothing to ears. Amplitude means the strength or level of sound pressure. Low amplitude means low energy wave, and a low amplitude sound will be soft. For example, whispering. Number two, loud sound. The sound having greater amplitude and is harsh to ears. A high amplitude wave is a high energy wave, and therefore a high amplitude sound will be loud. For example, rockets produce loud sound. Loud sounds can damage our ears. Now, children, let us do an activity. Strike a drum gently. The sound produced is soft and feeble. Now, strike the drum hard. The sound produced is loud. When you strike the drum hard, you put more of your energy, and this energy is changed to sound energy. Number three, pleasant sound. The sounds which are pleasant to our ears are known as pleasant sounds. These sounds are more rhythmic. For example, musical sounds. Such sounds refresh our mind and body. Number four, unpleasant sounds. The sounds which are not pleasant to our ears are known as unpleasant sounds. These sounds are not rhythmic. For example, sounds produced by machines. Such sounds cause headache and nausea. Number 5, shrill sound. The sound having higher frequency is known as shrill sound. Now, frequency means the number of times same thing happens in a given time period. Its unit is hertz. One vibration per second means 1 hertz. Let us understand it with the help of a pendulum. If the pendulum vibrates 2 times in 1 second, then its frequency is 2 hertz. High frequency means high pitch. Next type of sound is flat sound. The sound having lesser frequency is known as flat sound. Less frequency means low pitch. For example, drums produce flat sound. Now, children, let us understand what are warning sounds. Certain particular sounds are used as a signal to inform about an event, disaster, or a warning sign. Such sounds are known as warning sounds. For example, number 1, fire alarm made by fire brigades. Number 2, ambulance siren made by ambulance in case of emergency. Number 3, evacuate building made to inform people to evacuate their residence. Number 4, tornado warning siren to warn about incoming of a tornado. These loud sounds are produced to grab the attention of the people. Now, the next topic is noise, the invisible pollutant. Unpleasant and loud sound is called noise. Sounds of vehicles, horns, loudspeakers, and firecrackers. Machines like electric generators and vacuum cleaners are some of the sources of noise pollution. There are very harmful effects of noise pollution. Number 1, loud noise can cause hearing impairments or permanent loss of hearing. Number 2, loud noise disturbs sleep and concentration of a person. Number 3, noise results in headaches, hypertension, dizziness, and even nervous disorder. Now, children, let us discuss some of the ways to reduce noise pollution. Number 1, do not blow horns unnecessarily. Areas like hospitals and school campus are silence zones, and blowing of horns is prohibited there. Number 2, Do not play loud music. It harms our ears. Number 3. Loudspeakers should be avoided. Number 4. Traffic should be regulated in such a way as to prevent unnecessary jams and thus unnecessary honking of horns. Number 5. To prevent and control noise pollution, it is necessary to create public awareness. People must be made aware of the harmful consequences of noise pollution. Number 6. Growing more trees along the roadside also reduce noise pollution. With this topic, children, our chapter 8 gets completed. But before ending up today's lesson, let us do an activity. You all know that wires on a guitar are of different thickness. Sound from thicker wires is of low pitch and from thinner wires is of high pitch. So, what about frequency? Answer is frequency is more when wires are thin and tightly fixed, and frequency is less when wires are thick and loosely fixed. Now, to brush up your understanding, do worksheet number 2 as your home assignment. Thank you, children.